Good morning all. Can you introduce yourselves?
So I'm Tenzi Children Duktapa. I'm in class 12 right now, studying in Grace Coaching Center.
My name is Diki Children Dutia. I'm a student of ICSE batch class 12.
Hello everyone, I'm Abhinisa and I'm in Grace class 12 ICSE batch.
So before we start this survey, I want to inform you guys that this isn't a test. This is a conversation to help us improve and make sure we remain helpful to you and others. There are no right and wrong answers. So the first question of the survey was as, if you had to describe coaching experience to a close friend in just a couple of sentences, what would you say?
Personally, I would totally encourage them to come to Grace because before coming to Grace, I was more of like average student. I used to get around 60% in my exams. So I joined Grace in class 10 and looking back, Grace actually helped me a lot understanding majority of like the basics. Because in class 9, when I wasn't in Grace, my basics were like pretty weak because I used to like memorize everything and like after like a few days I would forget everything, right? So when I came to Grace actually like made it so that I would retain the information that I would get in my head. So which helped me a lot in my exams, tests and like various other things, even in the future which I'll be giving like few competitive exams. The basics are really important. And Grace Study Center really emphasizes on making your basics strong. So I would totally encourage like any of my friends, relatives, or like anyone I know to join Grace because the teachers are scary. So because of the fear of like teachers like hitting you or like scolding you, you start studying so that they don't like scold you, right? And so they are really strict about their attendance as well, because if you are absent for like the majority of like the classes, they are like worried that you are missing out on like the basics of your subject and etc. So they call their parents to like inform them that they'll be missing a lot of classes. So please send the students to class if you're like planning on sending the student. So yeah, Grace is like actually like a really good study center if you want to keep your basis like strong for your exams and any other competitive exams too. Thank you.
Thank you for your heartfelt message.
So for me, the experience that I have had in my coaching was, I can just say it was wonderful, to be honest, because the teachers out here, they're like really like they're like our own parents. They really guide us. And also this coaching, this center has really helped me like strengthen my basics. I am someone in class 10, I left inverse trigonometric functions and organic chemistry for my board exams. But after coming here, like in this center, Sir Roshan, Sir Bajang, Sir Ayush, they've really helped me like strengthen my basics, and I've not left inverse trigonometric functions and organic chemistry from there. So it was really nice, and I would really like to thank the teachers because they've guided me from class 11 to 12. They've really guided me, like they've made me who I am right now. They've really helped me focus on even small things. I, being an introvert, really wouldn't ask questions, but then the teachers out here, they've made me so comfortable that right now even if I have the silliest questions, I don't hesitate to ask them. Thank you.
Thank you, Vicky.
So for anyone who wants to join Grace, I would really say go for it. Grace is not only somewhere you study, it has been more of a team, everyone plays their own roles. The teachers here make us really comfortable, because I was always scared to ask questions in class because I was always what if the person next to me judges me? So Grace has really made me comfortable in that aspect, where I've actually started asking questions. And I've also been consistent ever since I joined Grace due to the amount of tests we have. So my fear of tests and results are also vanishing away with it. And Grace really focuses on your basics. So if you are preparing for competitors and everything, I've just now realized that not only the formulas but also the basics and the concept inside is also very important. So I think you should really, if you're looking for good basics, like a family-like environment, you should go for Grace.
Thank you.